Oh, we going in the parking lot. Oh my. Thank you, thank you. Boom, how much we have 2 candies now. We're gonna find all the houses and take every single little bit of candy they have. Pretty sure this is where people shoot their guns. Look at this shit. God damn, bro. Yo. This is kind of fun. What the hell, dude? Where am I? Oh, this is sharp dip. Bro, this is beautiful. Where am I? And I'm trying my best to avoid all the cops. Oh, shit. There's some red and blue lights right there. He got someone. Maybe we're not going to Taco Bell. Because, I mean, there's cops right there onto Taco Bell. Because Taco Bell's over there, so we're going to ride dirt. Oh, this seems like light work compared to my off-road video. This is such light work, dude. Okay, but I don't want to hit mud like this. I'm not trying to get all dirty. Come on, dude, get it up. Got some dirt in my croc. My limited edition Patrick Crocs, by the way, that you can only get limited editionally. Like, it's really so nice. Check it out. Like, damn. The seat, I might change it. A little bit annoying because of how thin it is, but I mean, this is probably the perfect wheelie bike, no? I think that'd really help. I think this thing in acceleration is way faster than my car. Like, this thing is so fast. Look at this! Look at how fast this thing is! Dude! Fuck. 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 Son of a... Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I know. Yes. Holy shit, I'm never doing that again. Hey, look what we got there, bro. Yeah. You gave me a little rev. The one thing he's missing is a helmet. Get a full face always. I kinda have a clue where I'm going. I'm not entirely sure, don't flame me. But there is this one very, very cool spot that I wanna go to. I just have no clue how to get there. Let me show you why this is the spot. Not because of this, but because of this. Damn, look at this, John. Such a vibe, dude. Oh, but we got fire ants right there. Swarming my bike. Yeah, those are like fire ants. They're red. Dude, look at this trail. Hold up. Do we take it? We'll take it. This is ugly. Toyota? Is that a Prius? No way. Oh, no way. Is that a mini coupe? Give me a pair of skis, bro. I can go down with a drink going 70. How am I gonna do it? Should I drink a little bit? No, it's gonna stain the white. No. Can we not do that? Yeah, dude, this is gonna get everywhere. I'm gonna have to take off my helmet. Oh my. Totally relying on regen right now. Alright, I'm coming up to the hard part. How to make a turn with a goddamn pinkety drinkety in my hand. Oh my god. Trains. Hey, we got the mango lemonade. I thought it would be yellow, but it's not yellow. It's literally pinkety drinkety, bro. I dedicated the next 24 hours in learning how to wheelie. So, I need to get geared up. Come with me and let's start the journey. Look at all this effort I put into the cinematic view. But anyways. And to step it up a notch, the Chinese back protection. I'm all set. I got the Chinese back protection and I got my gloves. Not bad. A lot of room for improvement. The first hour went slow. I wasn't really hitting the balance point and I was getting frustrated. Time was passing and I had a major problem on my hands. We got thunder over there and clear skies over here. It was going to rain and I didn't really have much time left. It looks like it's gonna rain. I might have to cut the day short. But a light drizzle will not stop me. I'm getting serious. I'm heading to my secret wheelie spot. I also have dirt tires. They say supermotos will really help with my wheelies, so they're probably right. That was a extreme power wheelie. That was probably the most power wheelie I've ever power wheelied. Holy, look at this line, bro. I'm not turning left. Nuh-uh. Get my leg up. Ow. We're gonna go look at the Teslas. The Tesla factory. The Model 3 and the Model S. And the new Model Y looks hella cool. Cybertruck is alright. The old Model Y is probably the ugliest looking one, in my opinion. But the new Model Y, whew, still not better than the Model S. I mean, it looks... Model S is like top tier, bro. You're not getting anything better than that. I love this rear brake. TRPs, bro. I mean, I haven't tried like Ultra Brakes or Maguras, but so far, TRPs are the GOAT. I missed my exit. Hold up. That's the one. Okay, that's one problem I have with TRPs. Hi. Hold on. I'll do a little something for you. We got a Red Bull bike here. Now this is looking sweet. Ultra Brakes. BRXN. I'll look up you, bro. I think these are Ultra Brakes. So if you didn't know, like, what the story of the Nutty Putty Cave is, there's this guy, I'm pretty sure his name is John Edward Jones. He was a medical student, pretty young guy actually, in his 20s I believe, something like that. And he was also a student cave diver, I'm pretty sure, like, fact check me on this. But he was a student cave diver, and he was cave diving here, basically, essentially. And when he was in the cave, he took a wrong turn, and it ended up being a little well that you just can't get out of. So it's just like a little, what do you even call it? It's like a little dip, like a little pocket with no end. So he was upside down in that pocket with no way to get out. And rescuers tried their best to get him out, but they just couldn't. So he spent hours in there, upside down, and he died in that same position. And he's still in there to this day. On November 25th, 2009, our beloved John passed away on this site. He was a loving father, a kind husband, a loyal son, and true and cherished friend. Those who knew John best will remember his faith and his caring heart. Thank you, John, for showing us how to make eternity our covering and our rock and our salvation. As we journey here on Earth, we miss you and love you always. HMMS. 1983-2009. Is this money? Oh, I feel so bad for ruining that. Oh, no, I'm putting that back. We express our heartfelt appreciation to the brave and selfless rescuers who work tirelessly to free John. Your heroism will never be forgotten. We invite all who visit John's final resting place to enjoy and respect this sacred space. The Jones family. Damn, bro. Look, there's goats. Look at those goats right there. Awesome. And it can climb that hill really easy. That's only on the second mode too. Oh, look, we got some lemonade, bro. We got lemonade. Lemonade. Yeah, I need some lemonade, yo. How much for a cup?
$1.
$1?
Yeah.
Yo. What are those?
These are lavenders.
We have little
boxes.
How much are these?
$3.
$3? Alright, let me see what I got. Here's 2 and 3.
Okay.
I'll take one of these.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is cool. You just set up shop here.
Yeah.
That is awesome. I think I'm gonna try to attempt some wheelies on this, you know? I mean, it's got the power, it's got the wheels, it's got the brakes. So why not? Let's try to wheelie it. Okay, that wasn't that bad. Let's try a second one. Oh, okay, we got it up. We got it up better that time. Oh, that was my best one. Oh, I need more speed when I'm hopping off. Let's try not to. Oh, fuck. Oh, I clicked the throttle. Holy shit. All right, wait, hold up. I'm gonna try not to break my wheel or break the scooter in general. Good morning. This one. Oh, is this wet? Aww. Oh shit. I can hold a wheelie. Not very long, not very long. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh shit. All right. Yeah, I think I'm done. Can't go faster. That's scary. All right, for the first test, we're gonna be trying to see if I can weave through these cones going 15 miles an hour. Oh shit. Oh, that's dizzy. Come on. Come on. What am I doing? I hate this one so much. I dropped it. No. Again. Come on. That's what I think of you, Cone. Come on. Fuck! No, that was so close! I was looking for a job until I decided to take a little detour to Utah's longest trailhead. Spanning 45 miles across from point A to point B, my little self decided it'd be a good idea to test my scooter and see if it could make it without running out of battery completely. Yo. Alright, we're trying to head back down now. Hopefully I don't slip. It's really, really rocky. And sandy. Oh, look at this. Oh, look. Holy crap. What the hell? I'm kind of scared, actually. I mean, I guess there's nothing to be scared about. I was just hoping there wasn't going to be a homeless man chilling in here. Look at this rebar. Looks like you could climb that and get on top. You suck. my Chick-fil-A order. Usually, if I'm in a car, I would get a grilled sandwich with a large fry and probably a large Dr. Pepper with light ice. That would be my order right there. This is a lot more dangerous than swerving, in my opinion. I have such a low center of balance, it's hard to control. Yeah, there we go. Hello. Could I just get a 12-piece chicken nugget? To go, please. Oh, no thanks. Okay, yeah, two. I don't know. I don't want to take off my helmet to eat the nuggets, but I might have to. Let's do a quick taste test. One nugget. Here we go. Oh, it's hot. It's always delicious eating Chick-fil-A nuggets at a bathroom, right next to a public bathroom. That's the best spot to eat Chick-fil-A nuggets. Yo, check it out. We got a cemetery here. I kind of want to check it out, but I think that'd be a little bit disrespectful, you know? Yo, why do they got these sprinklers, bro? It pisses me off so much. Look at this. It's not even going for the grass. It's going straight for the pavement. I'm not getting wet, bro. Look at this aura. Is he alive? Is that taxidermy? He's alive. He's moving. Is this about to be an airball? No, I have to. Oh shit, that's a curve.
Start the box real quick. Rather shit. Ay, ay, ay. Oh shit! Oh fuck no. Damn. Wait, Sundance Trappers?
Yeah,
Dude, what's up, bro?
what's up? You're just grinding, we love to see it.
I'm learning.
Are you making a video?
Yeah, right now, yeah.
Just like a POV video?
Yeah,
Dude, by the end of the season, you'll be a pro.
I hope.
What's your name?
What's yours?
I'm Blue.
Nice to meet you, Blue.
Too.
Way more speed. Like this, bro? Hell no. Yeah, bro.
Now, I know this year was short, but I did only start this year. I'm going to try to make this a tradition every single year, so if you guys did enjoy this one, please subscribe, like, follow, you know, all that stuff, and I'm going to play the outro right now.